name's Danielle. Thank you for tuning in to Board Game Bakes. This is a fun channel where we make board game themed pieces and components. If you've never been here before, then welcome and thanks for stopping by. And if you have, then thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. If you've been watching the videos, or if you watch them now, you may notice that I've gotten a little plumper. So I think I've reached the point where it's time to step back for a little bit to welcome the baby and adjust to having 2 kids instead of 1. The plan is to come back in the spring with new content. While I'm gone, if you look to the left over there, there should be a link to take a survey. And if you're willing, I'd really appreciate it if you could give me some input on what you guys have enjoyed watching and what you'd like to see more of, or anything like that. Any suggestions are definitely appreciated. You could also let me know if there's any content or any games that you'd like to see featured on the show as well. Keep playing games and keep them sweet. Bye!